Hi everybody, today we're going to look at how to take out one of these glove box locks and install it. It's a very simple process. It's something that's quite overlooked, and let me show you how it's done. First off, you can see here in the camera there's a little pinhole here, and on the key one you don't. You just have the key slot. For the non-keyed ones, this hole will absolutely do nothing. This is not where we're heading for. What we're going to head for is the back opening of where that is. There's an opening there. We're going to take the pick and then we're going to depress that tang way back in there and get that out. We have our key lock cylinder. Uses the trunk key. The trunk key and the glove box are usually coordinated. If not, no big deal. But on a locked glove box, you need the key. So the key will zero out all the tumblers. If not, you see what happens? But it leaves the last tang, and you can't press that last tang. What you're going to do is you're going to push on this. You're going to push that closed. So that opens up the cavity in here so you can slide the lock cylinder in. Okay, so the lock mechanism is closed. And then our tumblers are already in. You can see the tumblers on the top and the key is already in there. So you're going to go all the way up to that. And see, now it holds that. It doesn't let it go anymore. Take the key out. And then we have to press that tang. And then that is going to go into there. Now that we have it together, we're going to take it apart. So what we want to do here is push in the back. See that? Push that in. Take the key out. Okay, now you can't get this out. See, that's not the tang we want. The tang is actually in there. You're going to take this and you're going to depress that down in there. And then that'll push this forward and pop it out. Then I want to do this, because you don't want to pull the tumblers out with it. They're going to drag across inside there. So what I like to do is put this back in, the key back in, fold that, and she comes out really nice. Now when you put this back together, again, like I show you, make sure that's in a closed position so it'll slide back in. And then all you'll have left is that tang to go inside there. So that's how that one is done. Now we have this one. So we're going to take this. Since this is in the up and down position, okay, you hear it's unlocked, you want to close that. 1/4-inch nut driver. Let's get this thing a little loose so we can get up behind there. Okay, and then there it is. So we're going to push against this, and we're going to go back into here. On a non-keyed one, there's no tumblers in it, but it has that little tang there. Okay, we're going to close this. And it's going to go right to that. And now it won't open, okay? But you're going to keep that anyway, and then you're going to push that in, and then that locks into itself. Okay, we're going to close it. Okay, now it closes. And you're going to keep pressure on that. And you're not going after anything but that tang all the way in there. So you're going to stick that in there and you're going to push that down. And it'll pop. It's hard to do with the camera and doing this with two hands, but you kind of get the gist of it. That's the tang you're looking for. And that tang doesn't go center into here. It goes just into there. So again, one more time. That's where that goes. You take that and you push it down. And that's what will come out, and she'll come straight out. When you pull this out, hold that lock closed and slide it out. Same thing, reverses the install. So you can put it back in, but make sure you're closed there, okay? Because if not, it will not line up in here. So it goes for keyed and non-keyed. So I just wanted to show you what was going on with these lock cylinders, and it's something so simple that I've forgotten over the years. And I'm monkeying with this thing to get them apart because you want to restore and paint them and make them nice and whatever. And this gets in the way and these get destroyed a lot. Now, if you don't have the key to this to put it in the lock position, that's going to be a totally different story. So you really, really want to make sure you have it, otherwise the tumblers won't zero out. Okay, everyone. But as long as you have your key, you're good. You can do this without having to go to the locksmith. Everyone, take care. See you soon.